Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title, Oaklee will be trying a bunch of fruit today. Some for the first time, but most she's never had before. Hopefully she likes it. Let's get some fruit.
All right, so we just got the fruit, and now we got to go pick up Oaklee. She's at Nicole's grandma's house. So yeah, so we'll see you then.
Hi, baby girl. Hi.
You want fruit? All right, so we got the fruit. She's cutting it up now. All right, so we have blueberries, strawberries, mango, cucumber, watermelon, banana. What is this? Oh, this is apple, orange, peach, little thing of lemon. Hey, sit. You want blueberries? Go. You like it? Is that good? Good girl. Alright. Oaklee, no. What are you doing? Stay. We got a strawberry. Good girl. All right, looks like she likes strawberries. All right, looks like we got strawberry. What is this?
Mango.
Sit, stay. All right, mango up next. All right, mango up next. Lay down. Good girl. So she likes mango. Oh, she found an extra blueberry.
I knew there were three. I was wondering where the other one went.
All right, cucumber. What do you think about that one?
So as Matt said in the last video, Oaklee will eat anything and everything that's in front of her face, pretty much. So it's no surprise that she's devouring every single fruit that she's tried so far. Next up, we have apple.
You want it? Lay down. It's a good girl. That was quick. That one was quick. You must really like apple. Orange time. It's terrible orange. If you would have seen the actual orange, it's probably not sweet at all, but let's see if she likes it. Here you go.
Is that yummy?
You have no reactions. You just devour it. All right, peach. Down. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Last but not least, we have this little thing of lemon.
You don't know what you're in for.
You want this one? Lemon? Does it smell good? Smell good? Hold on. All right, here you go. Oh, she don't want to hold that in her mouth too long. Eat it.
You don't like it?
You eat everything. Did you finally find something you don't like? You almost got it. One more try. One more try. Oh!
She swallowed it. She didn't really keep it in her mouth for long.
You don't like that one too much, huh? Tell the people what you think. Tell the people. You don't want to talk about it? Alright, so that's going to be it for the fruit. She pretty much loved everything, as you can see, besides the lemon, I guess. The last thing we do have, though, is going to be this ice cream. Let me see. This right here. This was supposed to be for her birthday. Did we forget to give it to her?
We gave it to her off camera. No, we.
But it was like, yeah, so the next day we gave this to her. So she already had some, as you can see. But we thought maybe you guys would like to see her eat it. You want ice cream?
Puppy. Good girl.
It's hot, too. What is it? It's like 96 degrees.
Yeah.
She loves this. She'll eat this whole thing if she was allowed to. So it's actually 95 degrees right now. So she's probably loving this even more. All right, that's a good amount. Okay. No, hey. All right, so that's gonna be the end of the video. This one was a short one today. Oaklee probably wants more. Look at her. She wants to go for the jug. Look at that. Knew it. So like, comment, share, subscribe. You guys already know what to do. And she's still trying to eat. My name is Matt.
My name's Nicole.
This is Oaklee. And that was a piece of us. Are you throwing a fit because you want more fruit? It's not how you're going to get more. You're going to be a good girl?